Hi, my name is Molly Reed, and today I'm going to discuss functional communication training, or FCT, and how it works, and then also demonstrating how to implement it. So, functional communication training is most frequently used to replace an interfering or maladaptive behavior with a more socially appropriate form of communication. So the first thing you need to do when trying to implement FCT is identify that interfering behavior, that maladaptive behavior. So this can be is how the child or person is currently communicating to express their wants or needs. So it could be in the form of hitting, self-injurious behavior, screaming, non-compliance, whatever it is. So today, the client will be engaging in self-injurious behavior, and the function of that behavior is to gain access to a tangible. And once you find out the function of the behavior after completing an FBA, then you can identify what replacement behavior you're going to use to teach the more socially appropriate skill to communicate their needs. You just want to be careful and make sure to teach a skill that is easily able to be acquired by the person and so that they can access reinforcement quickly and build that skill without going back to engaging in their maladaptive behaviors. Functional communication training is great for anybody who is, can be nonverbal, have limited communication skills. Any child or person would benefit from it. So today we're going to be having a child who is currently engaging in self-injurious behavior to access an iPad. And so we're going to be teaching him how to use this little picture icon to request the tablet instead of hitting himself. So my client is going to come over here. It's a fake client, by the way. So we're going to use it as just showing what he's currently doing to access an iPad and what we're going to teach him how to access the iPad. So what you're first going to watch is his current behaviors and what has been reinforcing him. And another thing is that functional communication training is highly effective when we use extinction, which is that removal of previously reinforcement for that behavior. So right now, what we're doing is when he engages in I'm going to turn the camera, when he engages in self-injurious behavior, he just gets the iPad. And so we're going to show you that part, and I'm going to show you how to implement the system of him requesting giving me the icon to request his tablet. And just another thing is that when they do engage in behaviors, once we're implementing FCT, we want to block and ignore the behavior as much as possible while providing prompting when he's, calm and not engaging in those behaviors. So here is how our friend Jack currently accesses his iPad. Oh, Jack, stop. Here you go. All right, Jack, my turn. Oh, no, stop. There you go. You can have the iPad. And why is that inappropriate? It's inappropriate because we are currently reinforcing his self-injurious behavior. We know that he wants the iPad, and so to get him to stop, we're giving it to him. What we should be doing is just getting him to request using a PEX icon, or a picture exchange communication system. So what we're going to do is we're going to do errorless teaching, which means we're already going to give him the skills necessary to engage in the correct behavior. All right, Jack. Tablet. Good, requesting tablet. There you go, buddy. Okay, my turn. Tablet. You want tablet? Great job. in that situation, we blocked his, when he got the tablet, I did errorless choice with him. So I just went ahead and prompted him through the sequence and pointed to it, and he handed it to me. So that way he knows, oh, great job, you were requesting tablet. And then when I did it the second time, he kind of beat me to it and started engaging in those maladaptive behaviors of self-injurious, pinching his skin. So you want to obviously stop and block with giving minimal attention to that. While once he's quiet, so I did quiet hands with him, then we prompted him through the sequence again of pointing and him grabbing it to me. So just make sure that the behavior is matching, the replacement behavior is matching the function of the behavior. So in this instance, if it was access to a tangible, then we need to make sure that the replacement behavior is still serving the access to the tangible. So functional communication training is a great way to increase those communication skills between the individual and their communicative partner that can increase their quality of life while also serving, a functional purpose and getting their wants and needs met. Thanks for listening to me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.